Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Okay, so to start with, as you can see, we are in canva.com. And what you want to do is come up to this search bar here, and what you want to type in is landing page. Cool, amazing. So if we give that a click, and then you will see that Canva is going to bring us up. We've got 33,000 templates. So if you guys are using the free version, if you want to come over and press on all filters, and if you scroll right down to the bottom, you'll have an option that says free or pro. So if you click on free, then it's going to show you all the available templates for you on the Canva free version. And if you click on pro, then there's going to be obviously the pro ones that are available. So I do have the pro option at the minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on one that I know is available on the free version. So if I give this one a click, I quite like the background of it. I think it's really nice, nice colors and everything. So we're going to hit this purple button that says customize this template. And then what we can do is we can customize that. So obviously it all depends on what kind of, reason that you want your landing page. Is it for aesthetic reasons? Is it to sell a product? Is it to showcase your brand? It all sort of depends, what it is that the landing page is for as to what kind of template that you choose. So what we can do is we can now edit it. So we can edit the text. So what we can do is we could type in our name, and then we could say like free guide or something. And then obviously whatever it is that you're selling, you could then you could change the text if you wanted. So if you wanted something a little bit more punchy for your name, you could highlight it, come on over to the left and then click something else. So I think it's quite good having different texts. I think it's quite nice for the eye to have different things to look at. So you could go through, change that. You could then change the color. So again, if you highlight the text, come up to this capital A with a colored bar underneath, and then you could go and change the text that you wanted. So we could do that. So as you can see, that's now changed that. So that just sort of stands out, goes with the color of the template, which is really nice. And then you've got this free guide underneath. You could also make the text bigger. So if you highlight the text and then you can press this plus size, and then we can make that text bigger, which really sort of makes it pop. So yeah, you can highlight the text and then you've got the option to, like we said, you can make it bold, change the size, change the color, and change the font and everything. So you could have your name, free guide, and then you could have a little bit about the free guide, whatever it is that you wanted. And then we've got this button down here that says download a copy. So I think it could be quite good to potentially make this slightly bigger. So rather than having to make the text bigger and then the box bigger, what you can do is group them both together. So if you click the text and then if you press shift on your keyboard and then press the box, and then what you can do is right click and group. So you've grouped them together. So then when you make them bigger, it's as a whole, rather than two separate elements, which I just think is really helpful. And then what you could do is change the color of this. So say we wanted it maybe a green, or maybe what about like an orange or something to kind of make it stand out. Quite like that. That looks cool. And then what you could do is if you right click and then ungroup, and then you've got your two separate elements, and then you might just want to say make that text bold, bright, bigger, just so it sort of stands out, and then potentially make this download button bigger to go alongside it, which is really cool. Okay, amazing. So you're just trying to make that pop, and then you can obviously put your own image here, whichever you want. So if you delete that, and then if you come over to the left hand side and if you click on uploads, and then you can upload your own image here. Let's have a look. I don't think I have anything sort of kind of suitable for this, I guess. So I'm just going to do the palm trees, just as an example. Actually, I might change it to the boat. Maybe the colors might be a little bit more in fitting with this landing page. And then what we do, so we've then got that image, and then what you can do is you can edit that image. So with the image highlighted, and if you come up to the top and you can press edit photo, and then you can do whatever it is you want. You can add shadow, you can change the filter on it, make it bigger, smaller, remove the background, whatever it is that you want, you can then do that. And what we want to do is you can also add a link to this button. So if we right click, and then as you can see, it says link. So for the purpose of this video, what we're going to do is we're just going to send people to Google. Just because I don't actually have a website. So if we just hit enter, and as you can see, it says link added, which is amazing. So that is then done. And then what we can do is if we come up to the top and if we press on preview, we'll be able to see a preview of our landing page. And as you can see, it is showing us in desktop form. So it's just really important to kind of bear in mind that a lot of people will be looking at this on a mobile. In 2024, you know, we use our phones for so much. So it's really important that you see how it looks on a phone, just to make sure that it's right. You know, the download looks amazing. Looks nice and bright and big. Got the download button, which we all kind of know, and then we've got our name and everything. So that looks really good. And then obviously you can then edit that however else that you want to. And then when you feel that you are ready, you can publish the website. But before we do that, if you want to add a page, you can do so. As you can see down below here, we've got this add page. So if you do that, it obviously looks different colors to that initial page. So if you delete it, and what you want to do is if you press this plus copy that says duplicate page, and as you can see, they've now got the same like color aesthetics. And then what you can do is you can just delete everything that you want, and then you've got that free reign to create another sort of page 2 of your landing page. So that's really cool, like that. And obviously, yeah, if you were wanting to get people's email addresses, you could say register now, buy now, whatever it is that your landing page is for, you can edit that so that it's suitable for you. And then if you come up and press this publish website, and as you can see, we've locked your design whilst you publish it, which is amazing. So you've got the option to have a free domain with Canva. You can purchase a domain through Canva, or you can use your existing one. So I think with using the free domain, you can have 5 live websites with Canva. So if we press the free domain and then the purple continue button, and then as you can see this up here, this is how it's going to show in the browser tab. So it's a browser tab preview. So what you could do is delete that, and then you could say whatever it is that you want it to say. So let's see, if we do, let's just say our name, Ava Brown, and then you could do free guide, and then you can also add a little bit down here as well. So if we just copy that just for the purpose of the video, and then this is the description. So this is what is going to appear in Google. So if you then click on this down arrow and click on these advanced settings, you can see that you can password protect it if you want to. I'm not sure why you would. You can see search engine visibility is enabled. So you are going to appear on search engines. And then you've got this link preview enabled. So you can see how it will appear on social media platforms, which that too, I recommend is enabled for you. And then what you can do is you can press this purple publish button when you're ready. And as you can see, Canva is preparing our design. And then hopefully we're going to get the celebratory poppers. Yay! Cute. Our website is now live. So if we have a look, so if we press this purple button, we can visit our website, which is cute. So as you can see, we've got that second page that we added, but we didn't add anything to it. And then we can press this download a copy. Does it take it? Yeah, amazing. It takes us to Google, which is what we want. And that is it, guys. That is how to create a landing page with Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.